Hi, this is Ned with your Financial Markets English Minute. Today I'm going to discuss the idiom, wait for the other shoe to drop. Wait for the other shoe to drop means to await a seemingly inevitable event, especially one that is undesirable. Like so many other idioms in English, this one has great cultural and historical content. It comes from the experience of living in tenement buildings, as many Americans moved to cities during the manufacturing boom of the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The tenement buildings in which many lived had apartments built with very similar designs, similar floor plans. So, for example, the bedroom of one apartment would be right above the bedroom of the apartment below. It was common to hear your upstairs neighbor take off their shoes. So you would hear your upstairs neighbor take off his shoe and throw it on the floor with a boom. Then you'd wait a moment for them to take off the other shoe and throw it on the floor with a boom. So wait for the other shoe to drop became shorthand for waiting for something that you know is coming. Now, how is this idiom used in a financial markets context? A first possible example is, last quarter the oil and gas company took a large write-down. However, analysts believe they have far more impaired assets on their balance sheet. So the analysts are waiting for the other shoe to drop this quarter, meaning the analysts are waiting for more write-downs to happen this quarter. A second possible example is, after the Chinese government's regulatory crackdown on DD Global following that company's US IPO this summer, many investors did not wait for the other shoe to drop. They immediately sold other US-listed Chinese tech companies like Alibaba. And a third possible example is, when unemployment soared in March 2020 with the outbreak of the coronavirus, many investors were waiting for the other shoe to drop in the form of a broad credit crisis. However, the wave of loan defaults never really materialized. So, once again, today's idiom is, wait for the other shoe to drop. This has been your Financial Markets English Minute. If you'd like to advance your English communication skills with me, Ned Cooper, please reach out to me on LinkedIn or email me at the address ned@financialmarketsenglish.com. Thanks for watching.